Hello everyone, welcome to new class. Today's class is about parallel RLC circuits. A parallel circuit consists of two or more branches connected in parallel. The voltage is same for each branch, but the branch currents will differ in magnitude and phase depending on branch impedances. The voltage is taken as reference and the magnitude and phase angle of each branch current is determined. The total current in the circuit is equal to the phasor sum of the branch currents. Consider a parallel circuit consisting of three impedances Z1, Z2 and Z3. Let an alternating voltage V at frequency f Hz be applied to the circuit. Let I be the total current and I1, I2, I3 be the branch current as shown. Then we have I1 is equal to V divided by Z1, I2 is equal to V divided by Z2 and I3 is equal to V divided by Z3. Next is admittance. Admittance is defined as the reciprocal of impedance, that is Y is equal to 1 by Z and its unit is mho. And let Y1, Y2, Y3 denote the branch admittance. Then Y1 is equal to 1 by Z1, Y2 is equal to 1 by Z2, Y3 is equal to 1 by Z3. So, the branch currents are I1 is equal to V into 1 by Z1, that is V into Y1. Similarly, I2 is equal to V into Y2, I3 is equal to V into Y3. So, the total current I is equal to V into Y1 plus V into Y2 plus V into Y3, that is V into Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3, that is V into Y equivalent, where Y equivalent is Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 is the equivalent admittance. That is, if admittances if Y1, Y2, Y3 are the admittances in a parallel circuit, then the equivalent admittance will be equal to the sum of each admittance. Then also we have I is equal to V by Z1 plus V by Z2 plus V by Z3 equal to V by Z equivalent, where Z equivalent is the equivalent impedance, that is 1 by Z equivalent equal to 1 by Z1 plus 1 by Z2 plus 1 by Z3. That is, when impedances are connected in parallel, then the equivalent impedance 1 by Z equivalent equal to 1 by Z1 plus 1 by Z2 plus 1 by Z3. That is, current I is equal to V into 1 by Z equivalent, or we can say V into Y equivalent, where 1 by Z equivalent is Y equivalent. Thus, if the branch admittance and the total admittance are known, then we have branch current I1 equal to V into Y1, I2 is equal to V into Y2, I3 is equal to V into Y3, and the total current I is equal to V into Y equivalent. Thank you for watching the class. If you like the classes, please like, share and subscribe my channel.